Very good morning, students. How all are you? I hope that you all are good and keep studying properly and prepared all the subjects work. Students, do your work very neatly in your copy and keep learn your answers properly. Okay, because we don't know that how long our lockdown will be there, so that's why do take care of yourself and study well. Okay, so yesterday, students, we all completed our word meanings and question answer of first four, and you all submitted me your work also, but very few students are submit their copies. Why so? Complete your work properly and maximum to maximum students complete your work and submit it on time. Okay, so now note down the question number 5, that is, in the second half of the poem, where is the poet? So, in the second half of the poem, the poet is outside the lecture room under the wide open sky. Okay? Now, if you don't understand any writing, then you can listen this video again and again. By the pronunciation of mine, you can get idea that what the word is written here. Okay? Next, F question. In the second half of the poem, who is a poet with and what is he doing? So, students, in the second half of the poem, the poet is out with nature, admiring its beauty and being one with it. The poet here is drawing a contrast between the first half of the poem, where the author is amidst fellow students listening to a lecture about the stars and the universe, and the second half where he himself goes out and sees the nature for himself. Okay, students, now see the last question. What words and images in the first half of the poem are a contrast to the perfect silence in the final line? So, your last answer will be phrases like lectured with much applause. From lecture to applause, you have to put your inverted comma. Then, after applause, put comma. Again, inverted comma begin, and you have to write became tired and sick, single inverted comma close, again comma, again single inverted comma begin, rising and gliding, inverted comma close, showing the restlessness in contrast to the one that followed in the second half. So, students, I think that you all understand the words clearly with my pronunciation. After completing this video, when you got this video, you heard the answers attentively, and after 10 minutes, I will send you the pic of these answers. Do your work calmly Don't get in a hurry. Take your time and do your work very neatly in your copy. Some of the students' writing is very neat and clear, but some are, I don't know why they all are in hurry. The answers is your students. You have to complete it in your copy with your own handwriting. So do your work properly and neatly. You want to take your time, you can take your time, but don't do in a hurry. Okay, students. Now, students, I think that we all completed our one chapter from reader and one chapter from course. Here, students. Now, tomorrow and in grammar, sentence chapter is completed and the noun is completed also, but one exercise is left, I think. So tomorrow you all have to take your English workbook with yourself with pencil. Don't use pen, students, in your English workbook. Okay? So take your English workbook as well as pencil. I will start our first chapter's exercise in English workbook. Okay? Okay, thank you, class. Take care of yourself.